Thank you, Brother Tutugal. So once again, let's give thanks to God for using our brother JM. So one thing I've learned sa preaching ni Ikinok sa first point pa lang na communication is the key for a growing relationship. So kung ang topic ni siya by sa mga marriage or dating couple daw. So communication is the key for a stronger and healthy relationship. But how about us between atong self and God? Do we communicate with God always? If you want to have a healthy lifestyle, you must communicate with God. Amen?
Amen.
So thank you, bro, si Brother Tutugal for sharing this awareness. So before share ko sa announcement, so one thing lang, let's welcome our sister, si Chacha, and her husband from Florida. Welcome. Thank you for attending. So for our announcements, so same Japon worship service live stream. Those who are watching online, so we're still inviting you. Much better if maka-attend to the personal. Same midweek devotional. And for our giving, let's not forget our contribution. So muna ang details, and you can email your receipt sa kanang email. So YBL moving up. So I hope excited ang mga YM no? For our moving up this afternoon. 12:30 p.m. Main hall for so nakikigawan sila after this service daw, let's give way for our YM and singles. Parents, teachers, meetings of PTA, children's ministry. So natay PTA sa church. So natay meeting this April 6, Sunday, 1 to 2:30 p.m. Simply.
Si John, nag-bet lang ako, sige pag-bet lang.
Men's Forum within reach. So I hope ang mga brothers excited this coming April 13. So ang sister na Women's Day, kita nasa tayo Men's Forum. So excited na, I hope excited na, and let's invite our friends, especially katong mga play of basketball. So let's try to invite them. And Reach Visayas Mindanao Conference. This coming August 22 to 24, Waterfront, Cebu City Hotel. So, registration committee, si Atiana Lee for Marriage and Moms. So, sila screen guys. So, approach that side post. Season Warriors photo op after worship service. So, today, we'll have the batch 1999 to 2002. So, after service, na may picture. So for our uplockers, versus the support offering, natin mga classes na 2025. So if you want and interested mo na, so you can email or si Dewey Monhe or si Atiling. I-approach tayo sa Atiling. So wala na. So let's call our worship leaders.
Thank you, Gilvin. And